You ever think that Apex should be like more chaotic? What if there was some kind of system that was actively working against you? You know, like sometimes when you're playing too well and you need something that really just brings you back down to earth. Just something you can blame when you miss all your shots. I figured I'm one of those programming thingies. So a little bit of this, that, wham bam, thank you ma'am, and I created what I've called anti-aim hacks. What I've done is created a program that every once in a while picks a different way to mess with you while you play the game. Some of them are pretty self-explanatory. Forcing ability, limiting controls, swapping the controls. There are some fun ones like panic, horror, changing the mouse speed, one that just flashbangs you. And let's see, that's all of them, right? Switch, force, flash, panic, crab. Which one was crab again? On top of the modes activating, a sound plays along with it, so I know what's happened to me when it happens. A lot of them are self-explanatory, like a horror sound just starts playing. The CS flash noise, switching controls is the Pokemon confusion. The one that stops me from shooting is... Stop! You violated the law! There's crab. Etc, etc, etc. And whenever I left click, there's a 1 in 500 chance that the mouse just moves randomly across the screen, making it almost impossible to aim with. Hence the whole thing being called anti-aim hacks. And of course, a program like this isn't going to be perfect. There are little quirks and loopholes that I figured out as I went along and played with it more. But the one that I probably should have fixed, but I didn't because it was really funny, was the program told a sound to play, but it never told it to stop playing. So things like just the flashbang sound happening didn't really matter. But when crab happened, and then another crab happened, it never stopped happening. So I just got layers of sound on top of each other. And it ended a little... hectic. And with everything set up, I wanted to pose a little challenge to myself. I wanted to see if I could win a single game of Apex Legends with this system working against me. Just a single game. I mean, how hard could it be? I win games all the time. No. It's a jibby. Oh, behind me. I cannot aim. Got him. Really, Oh, there's so many people. There's nothing I can do.
Throwing flashbang.
I tried, man. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, so maybe I wasn't cruising. When you're playing Apex, you're not exactly used to getting flashbanged out of nowhere.
Throwing flashbang.
So there was a bit of a learning curve, a bit of a hurdle to get over, but I started to learn the quirks and different systems of the game and how I could kind of manipulate the thing to work for me. I just knew that if I played enough games, eventually the perfect storm would hit and I'd finally catch a dub. They're below us! Oh, wait, actually I mega cracked them. Oh, crap, this is not the time for duty starting. Not now, not now, not. Team, we're pushing, right? Team, we're pushing together, right? We're pushing. Team? Empty, man. Oh, it's not empty, it's not empty, it's not empty. Correct. I couldn't see anything. Eventually, the perfect storm would come. Got one, I'm gonna push.
Throwing flashbang.
I'm not gonna push. Nice. Oh, stop. I can't. Oh. Nope, it's a great idea. That wasn't a good idea. He's full health. Eventually, the perfect storm would... Something. Okay, well, you guys have fun. I don't want to go near this.
You violated the law.
Okay, well, never mind. Not that way.
Or serve your sentence. Your
you know what? I'm gonna join you.
Then pay with your blood.
Get the man with the scythe. Got him. I page of this.
Throwing flashbang.
Eventually, the perfect. I knew that eventually.
Throwing flashbang.
No. It forced my ability. No, the game was going good and it forced my ability. Stop. Okay, regroup. Oh! But finally, actually, the perfect storm point game came.
Prepare yourself. We have an enemy. Throwing flashbang.
Yeah, so the last game wasn't exactly interesting. It was just one of those like walking simulator. Sure, we had a fight here and there, but they were mostly just cleanup fights, and we didn't really get any action until the final circle. But finally, a 1v1 came. 2 squads left to duke it out for the final victory. That crown at the end that only one team gets. And we were gonna get it. Oh, no. What? Let me go! Stop it! Not now! Please. Okay, hold on. Back, forward. That way. Okay. Forward. That way. Okay, hold on. That way. So you got 5. And just like that, baby! Too easy! Honestly, this was too easy of a challenge. And after all that, if I could say one thing, it'd be Respawn, please add a feature where I can like hit people when I'm down. It'd be so funny. Just like 1 damage where I could bite their ankles or fight other people while I'm down. It wouldn't mean anything. It'd be so funny if I could just 1v1 people while we're both down crawling on the floor. Please,